this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm making a training coaching video for everybody. I love teaching. I've taught for years, different things from outdoor survival skills all the way through to even stocks. How about that? Ain't that exciting? Anyway, wanted to share this with you. I got a great question from somebody. Do you keep a trading journal, or did you keep a trading journal? And the answer is yes. You could also call it an investing journal, all right? I'm not a day trader. I don't look at 5-minute charts. I'm not a scalper. If you are, that's okay. That's fine. It's just not for me. I'm a trend follower. But there's a far bigger picture. Our goal, what is our goal? To be profitable. But can we always be better? Yes. But how do we get better? Just, I want to be better. No, let's be pragmatic. The way to get better is to take a hard, calculated look at yourself and say, these are the things I need to improve. Well, you could say, I'll just have all that thought processes buried in my mind and kind of think about it. No, there's a great quote, and you know it. A picture is worth 1,000 words. This is the best thing that you can do for your trading journal. Don't just write in a journal. Please don't do that. Take it a step further. This will dramatically improve your results. A picture's worth 1,000 words? Print out the chart of what you were looking at when you bought the stock. And have on the chart moving averages, price and volume, and maybe the tools that you use. If you use oscillators, put it on there. If you're using anything that helps you make that decision, that impacts your decision-making process, it should be on the chart. Because if not, then it's not relevant anymore. You've got to make it relevant to your thought processes and decision-making skills and mindset. So I don't have any of that on mine because I don't use them. But I'm not saying it's wrong. It's not for me. I've got my chart and I've got moving averages. But here's what you do. Either print out the chart and write out what your thought processes were when you bought, or type them on the chart. I won't show you here, but you could you know what I'm talking about. You could type it on the chart. Good entry, volume. Bouncing off the moving average, bouncing off the 8-day, market good, increasing volume. Write these things out. And this is what you do. Save that chart. By the way, I also encourage you could make 2 charts. Make a before chart or as you're doing it chart. Bought right here. And print it out. Have that chart printed out right there. So you go back, right there. If that was the day you bought, which we did, print it out in the chart and make notes on it. Bouncing off 8-day moving average line. Market was strong. Max list stock. Lifted on a pickup in volume. All these different things. There's your before chart. That was your decision-making process right there. Mark it up. And folks, don't lie. Be honest with yourself. What was the market doing? What was the stock doing? What was your trigger to buy? And save it. Save it. And then when you sell it, let's suppose you sold this. Okay? I'm not suggesting sell it, but let's suppose you did. Print out that chart and mark it up. What was the market doing? Why did you sell it there? It was losing the 8-day moving average line. Whatever it is, write it out and put the 2 of them together. That is your trading journal. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Folks, in every lesson, you will have 2,000 words that you can stare at and refine and improve your investing skills, buying, managing the trade, and selling. That is a great trading journal. And I will be very honest, I've got charts in my office going all the way back 30 years that I still study. I still look at them. My wife probably thinks I'm crazy. Maybe I am. But it helps. Why? It's how we get better. I want most people don't know this. Did you all know that Ted Williams took batting practice the year that he batted 400? He still took batting practice. Guess what? We want to be the Ted Williams of investing. We do batting practice. We study our charts with notes. Why we did what we did. You'll be light years ahead of the competition. I promise. It's what we do. It's what we teach. And I thank you.